A few weeks ago, I released a video that told folks all about insert function. In this video, we're going to begin our journey through all of the functions that are available through insert function, and we're just going to go in alphabetical order. So to that end, I'm going to go ahead and jump into an empty Excel workbook. I'm going to select an empty cell, A1, and then I'm going to click here this little FX button, insert function, to bring up the dialog box. And as you can see here, by default, it opens to most recently used items, but today I'm going to focus on all of the items that are available. And we're going to start with the first one in our journey, which is ABS. ABS takes a single argument known as number, and it returns the absolute value of a number without its sign. Absolute value is the distance of a number from 0 on a number line. I'm going to go ahead and close this here. I'll put in a few values. So first I'll put -2, then I'll put 2, and I'll put 10, then I'll do 15 and -15 and -10 for fun. We'll start here next to the cell -2. And what you may remember if you've been using Excel for any length of time is if you have a function like this absolute value that we're going to be using, you can't modify the cell itself. You have to refer to another cell that's elsewhere that contains the value that you care about. So we're going to start here in cell B1. We're going to click the FX. We're making sure the category is set to all. We're choosing ABS, which is the absolute value. We're going to click OK, and that takes us to the function arguments dialog box. From here, we're going to select A1, which is, as you can see, -2. And once you apply the function, the result you're going to get is 2. So let's click OK, and that returns the answer. Now we're going to go ahead and duplicate this same process, either by copying this function, which is ABS of A1, and pasting it down the rest of the column, or we'll double click this little AutoFill handle, double click, and it'll copy the function all the way down the column. So that's the first in our series. If you didn't see the insert function video that I did before, I'll drop a link to it in the description, and you can also check it out right there. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video.